Attributes of 3D shapes. A three-dimensional shape is a solid figure that has a thickness and depth. Most 3D shapes have the attributes of faces, edges, vertices, and bases, but not all 3D shapes have these attributes. A face is one side of a 3D shape that is flat and must be a polygon with straight sides. A base is one side of a 3D shape that is flat but does not have to be a polygon. A base can either be a polygon or a curved shape. What is your name? So you're going to type in your name right here. True or false? Shape A is a cone and shape B is a pyramid. True, false. Is this image a prism? Yes, this shape is a prism because it has two circular bases that are congruent, which means they are the same size and shape. No, this shape is not a prism because it does not have bases that are polygons. Identify these shapes. So you have the 1 and 2. The shape on the left is a prism and the shape on the right is a pyramid. The shape on the left is a pyramid and the shape on the right is a prism. Identify the image. This shape is a cylinder because it has two round bases. This shape is a rectangular prism because it has two rectangular bases. This shape is a hexagonal prism because it has two hexagonal bases. This shape is a hexagonal pyramid because it has one hexagonal base. There are two polygons in this picture. Are they congruent or similar? Congruent, similar. There are two polygons in the picture. Are they congruent or similar? Congruent, similar. Identify these shapes. We have shape A here, shape B here. Shape A is a triangular prism and shape B is a triangular pyramid. Shape A is a triangular pyramid and shape B is a triangular prism. Shape A is a square pyramid and shape B is a rectangular prism. Shape A is a square pyramid and shape B is a triangular prism. Pick the attributes that describe the cone below. This cone has one face and one vertice. This cone has one base and one vertice. This cone has one base and one face. There are four shapes below. Name the type of shape from left to right. So we're starting over here and we're going this way. Cone, cylinder, prism, pyramid. Pyramid, cone, prism, cylinder. Prism, cone, cylinder, pyramid. Cone, prism, cylinder, pyramid. Last question. True or false? The circle on this cone is a face. True. The circle shape of this 3D figure is called a face. False. The circle shape on this 3D figure is called a base. Then you'll click submit and you'll be done.